love you. I think losing my mind. Look like there's a guy. Hello guys, you're gonna meet today. Hen. Leg. Leg. Yes. Red. Bet.
Very good! Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, teacher. I love you. Mama. Bye-bye.
So, activity 6.3, help the wireless mouse find its way to the other kinds of mouse. So, how you do it? You start from here and then, yes, where to go, and, okay, you solve the problem. That's a maze. Yay! Very good. So you need to write it using your pencil. Okay, be careful. Be careful only. Oh. Very good. You're the best.
Check.
So, number 2.
4.
Yes, correct. So, you put 4. Very good.
Okay. Check.
Number 3.
5.
Oh, are you sure?
2.
Yeah. Very good.
This is 5.
Okay. What is your answer? You should put in the box. You see how to make number 5.
I forgot.
Oh, what is the number of this?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Okay.
you're right or you're wrong.
Wrong.
Okay, you erase that one. That's not right. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay,
I make mess.
yeah, it's okay. You write it.
But it's okay. I can clean it.
Yes, it's okay. Then you write how to make number 5. Why number 5 is your answer?
Yep.
How you do it?